word, Nikhil. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top.
What's happening, kids? How is your joint study session going?
Mom, I'm trying to read this word. T-O-P. To-P.
Wait, I'll teach you how to read.
Thank you, Mom.
I will tell you about blending sounds and then we will go on to blend sounds for words. Top.
Top.
Now we will go on to the next few words in a similar way. We will blend the sounds from their letters too, and it will magically form a word. G at a cat.
G at a cat.
G at a cot.
G at a cot.
P at a pot.
P at a pot.
P and a pen.
P and a pen.
H at a hat.